Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check your laptop battery health. It is very easy method. Windows laptops have a useful feature that can help you to diagnose the health of your battery. It is called the battery report tool. You can check the battery health by generating the battery report. Now we generate the battery report. Go to search, type CMD, open command prompt. Here type power cfg/battery report. Hit enter. As you see, the report has been saved, and this is the location of saved report. Copy this location, paste into search bar and hit enter. It will open in the browser. Here is the battery report. Here you can see the history of battery and different information about battery. In battery usage section, you can see how the battery was used over the past few days. First of all, you will have to charge battery up to full and then drain it straight down to zero without hibernate or go to sleep. After that, in this section, you can check how long your battery can last on a full charge, as you see here. I hope this method will help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day.